There are colors all over the classroom today, but these glasses of water don't look very colorful. Let's add some fizzy color tablets and make this water turn into different colors. I have some different color tablets here, blue, yellow, and red. Let's add a blue one into this glass. We'll see what happens. Here it goes. Whoa! It's fizzing and turning the water blue. Blue is such a pretty color. Let's try a yellow tablet. Here in the middle. Here it goes. Look at it fizz. Wow. It's making the water yellow. Making some fizzy bubbles too. Let's try the red tablet. Here it goes. Fizz, fizz, fizz. It's turning the water red. We have red, yellow, and blue. What do you think would happen if we mix some of the colors? Let's try. What if we add yellow to the blue water? What do you think will happen? Let's find out. The yellow is changing the color of the blue. It's making it green. Yellow and blue make green. Wow. What about if we add red to the yellow? If we mix red and yellow together, let's see what it makes. There it goes. The red is fizzing and it's turning the yellow orange. Red and yellow make orange. Now what if we add blue to the red? Let's see what happens if we mix some blue with the red. Here it goes. Whoa. The blue is fizzing. When it mixes with the red, it turns it purple. It's turning a really dark color purple. But it's that beautiful purple color. Blue and red make purple. So we turned our red, yellow, and blue into purple, orange, and green. We made lots of different colors. Hey everybody, it's Caitie. Thanks for joining us today. I'd love it if you would subscribe to our Caitie's Classroom channel, and I'll see you soon. Woo!